friends, today we are going to cook mackerel fish curry in Kerala style. The Indian mackerel fish are commonly found in Indian Ocean and west of Pacific Ocean. The mackerel fishes are rich in vitamin D and the omega-3 fatty acids. Mackerel fishes are also rich in antioxidants. These antioxidants also help in controlling your blood pressure level, increasing your immunity and decreasing the risk of cancer. The omega-3 fatty acids act like an anti-inflammatory agent which helps in management of arthritis. Some species of mackerel fishes are chub mackerel and Japanese Spanish mackerel are found in Pacific Ocean. King mackerel or kingfish found in West Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic mackerel or Boston mackerel fish found in Mediterranean Sea. And there is this Atlantic Spanish mackerel are one of the migratory species of mackerel fishes. They migrate between Mexico and Florida during spring and fall. And lastly, we have the Indian mackerel fish which I am going to use for today's cooking. Come, let's get started with cooking. So here are the ingredients: 1 chili, 1 green chili, some garlic, then some ginger, 1 onion, 1 tomato, and then we are having some pepper, 2 Kashmiri chili for the reddish color, then half grated coconut along with 3 small onion and some tamarind put in water to soak. We have 2 mackerel fishes here called Ayla and Malayalam. Besides the ingredients, turmeric, curry leaves, coriander leaves, salt for taste, I will be adding them when I am cooking. So let's get started guys by adding 2 spoons of coconut oil. So guys, once the oil is hot, go ahead and add the mustard. After that, add the curry leaves, and after that add the finely chopped onions which you have cut and kept it. After that, add the salt for taste. And then go ahead and add the turmeric powder. Once the onion is slightly brownish, go ahead and add the tomatoes and stir it. So here is the paste of the ingredients which I showed you earlier, and they are Kashmiri chili, pepper, green chili, garlic and ginger. After some time, go ahead and add the tamarind which you had soaked in water. I had made a paste of the grated coconut and the 3 small onion. After 1 minute, go ahead and add it. After that, add 1 cup of water. If it is still thick, add some more water. Once the curry starts boiling, go ahead and add the fish. From now on, we will not use the spoon to stir, or else the fish will break. After that, add the coriander leaves. Let it cook. We should not stir it anymore. We should just gently shake it so that it gets mixed well. There you go, your fish curry is ready. Keep it close so that you can serve it hot. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope it was informative for you, and also hope that you liked this video. Thank you for watching. It's me, Vihan, signing off. Bye.